what does it mean for your data to be compromised?
A data breach occurs when unauthorized people gain access to private information like email addresses, passwords, or other account details. This can lead to risks like identity theft or spam. Understanding what a breach is can help you take the right precautions to protect your personal data and online accounts.
How can you find out if your email has been exposed?
You can use popular, free online tools such as Have I Been Pwned to check if your email address appears in known data breaches. Simply enter your email into these trusted websites, and they will quickly tell you if your account information has been compromised in a previous leak.
Are these checking tools safe to use?
Yes, reputable tools like Have I Been Pwned are trusted by experts. Never enter your password. Only your email address or username is needed to check. These services do not store or misuse your information, but always use official sites to avoid scams or phishing attempts.
What should you do if your data was exposed?
If you discover that your email or data has been leaked, immediately change your passwords on affected accounts. Use strong, unique passwords for each account and consider enabling two-factor authentication. Monitor your accounts for suspicious activity and update any reused passwords on other sites.
How can you prevent future data breaches?
Stay vigilant by using unique passwords for every account and updating them regularly. Use a password manager to keep track. Be cautious about sharing personal information online and review your privacy settings on accounts. Regularly check your email with trusted tools to catch any future breaches early.